Hi, so the guilt-free workshop, guilt-free time workshop was a huge success, and the replay is going to be available in two spots. It's going to be available on the website and in the community, hopefully by the end of the weekend, if not midweek next week. But this was a great time because it had us evaluate why we don't want to, or why we don't actively make time for ourselves, for our personal time. We make sure our spouses, our kids have time for their activities, their events, their desires, their wants. But when it comes down to it and putting our things on the list, we keep on knocking it down to the bottom of the list. We're afraid to keep on going. We don't want to keep it on the list. We don't want to take the time out for ourselves. And I'm finding that a lot of moms are faced with that desire that they want time for themselves. They crave it. They need it. It's a necessity. But knowing that, or having a vague idea of something is missing, and I know that I need to fix it. I know that I need to have a solution, find a solution, but not actually doing it, there is a big disconnect. And so this workshop is a great step to starting to understand why we as moms do not follow through, what holds us back from finding time for our interests. We bend over backwards in making sure our loved ones have that precious time. We change things around, make time, take them places, like taking your kids to their different events and stuff. But when it comes to our own things, even if it's something that doesn't cost money or doesn't require driving, simple things, we have a hard time saying yes to our stuff, to our interests. And this workshop is something that I would encourage all moms who are struggling with this, who are struggling with the desire for wanting time for themselves, me time, personal time, but are having a hard time jumping through and understanding why they cannot commit. This workshop is going to open your eyes to so much, okay? So keep an eye out. The workshop's going to be available on the website and in the community. Okay, I will talk to you later.